Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to charity shopping around Billericay High Street. I have been super busy recently, what with work, Glastonbury, holidays, you name it. So I haven't been thrifting in ages, so I thought I would go to the Billericay charity shops. I've only got a couple of hours, so I've just put an hour in on the car because I thought I don't want to spend too long here. And I ideally don't want to spend that much money. I treated myself to a MacBook, which is a massive treat recently, so I'm trying to be good and not spend too much money. I'm looking for baby stuff, the rest of the stuff on my thrifting wish list. There is a stone in my crock. Let's go into the first shop. Nothing in that first shop. I'm gonna go to Sense next, I think. See what they've got in there. I'm looking for like generic baby bits, nothing specific. And then cargos are on my list. White cardigan are on my list. What else is on my list? Black and white trainers still. Yeah, so not too much. I'm trying to be quite strict and not buy stuff I don't need. I don't know if you guys follow me on Instagram. If you don't, go follow me on Instagram. But I did a boot sale. I felt so embarrassed on the amount of stuff that I was selling. I just had far too much stuff in my possession, and that made me feel really icky. Well, where I was over consuming majorly, as you guys know from my thrifting wish list video. But yeah, excited to kind of start being a bit more strict with myself again. And yes, let's go to this next shop. To say as well, I am looking for an outfit for my sister's baby shower. So that is something else I am looking for. Oh, that dress has so much potential, but I don't like the shape. It's a cardigan, but the sleeves are like cuffed, and I want like just a normal sleeve. I did my classic set timer, but I've accidentally paused it, so I don't know how long I've got. But oh, that's pretty. I like that. It's really expensive though, £6. It is nice, but donated lots of things to Discounts Research a couple of weeks ago, and I've just seen that they've got my bag out, which makes me feel a bit special. They've got some baby shoes. Oh my gosh, look at those little baby shoes. My heart can't handle it. That's my bag. That is also my bag. Love this skirt, but this is size 8, which is disappointing. This is really cute. Okay, I think we can't research. Well, it was some nice bits, but trying to be good. Off to Mary. Oh my gosh, it's windy. I probably can't even hear me. Trying to get over that thing of like going shopping and like having to buy something. I don't think I really have that much anymore. I definitely had it at one point where I felt like it was a failed trip if I didn't buy anything. Now I count it as kind of a successful trip if I don't buy anything. Obviously it's annoying if you're looking for something specific, but if I was browsing, just know you can come back with nothing and it still be like a good trip and not like a waste of time. I think because I'm not like, obviously I've got my thrifting wish list, stuff baby, like all that stuff's on my list, but it's not something I need to get. It's feel less bad if I don't get it. Anyway, I don't like this top bit because like the organza-y stuff, like this is the vibe of the baby shower, but I don't love the roses, which is annoying. But alas, that's a really sweet cover up. But I have not got any other sunny holidays booked at the moment. These would be lovely for work if I could walk in any sort of heel. My black heels that Hannah got me in our thrifting swap broke. I'm not sure if I can fix them, but these are only £4 and they look like quite comfy, so I might get these. I have a pair of like kitten heels, which I find if I'm not doing much walking, but if I'm doing like a longer walk and I want nicer shoes, well, it's quite cute. This dress is calling my name, but I don't know what it looks like. I'm devastated this is a size 10, but I might have to try it on because it's so cute. I'm so sad this is too small because I just realised it's never fully dressed and it's literally £12.95 and it's in the coolest pattern ever. Heartbreaking, it's too small. I mean, I can get it on, but it just obviously doesn't look how it's meant to look because it is too small, but Oh, I'm heartbroken by this. Okay, so I actually picked up a dress in there. That could be good for the baby shower. I mean, we know she's having a girl. I feel like it's totally acceptable to still wear white and blue dress. No, I don't know. I like it. If it's not for the baby shower, I'll definitely wear it for another occasion. It's like the House of CB style one, but they don't really give you any room for your babes. But I took my bra off and it was fine. I reckon I'd see if I could get away with some sort of, I'm wearing just like a sports bra today, so I'm thinking with a proper bra, like, it might be fine. But anyway, I don't know if I want to go down to Oxfam, or I'm just going to go in British Heart, then call it a day, because I'm sweaty and I'm hungry. I don't really want to buy food in the high street, because I'm eating such rubbish recently, and I'm just starting to feel a bit bleh, where I need like vegetables and like good food in my system rather than like chips. But alas, let's go and British Heart later. Oh, this plant is cute. I love that. Too small and too short. So cute, but it's £22.50. That is ridiculous. And it's maternity, but I mean, I'd still wear it. But cute, but out of my price range. Too big. That's cute. It was our shirt dress. Oh, I love the colour of that. Oh, and the shape. This boob bit looks too small though. Oh, £10.50. I wonder where it was from. It looks kind of handmade. If only she was having a boy, it'd be a lot easier. That's the only green. Oh, that is sweet. That would be too small. Like, I used to have like this exact dress from PLT. Well, back in the day. I had this like top bikini situation. Needed this in Mallorca when I was burnt to a crisp on my shoulders, but really cute, but just not really practical for me, I don't think. I like this green little cami, but it's £6, which is like a lot of money to spend on a cami top, but I do like it, and it is new tags, so I see why they've done it, but out of my price range for a cami, I think. I don't need any mini bags at all. That's a definite. So we got shoes. Still looking for my comfy pair of sandals that I don't really think exist. I'm in my Crocs today. So, on British Heart, I picked up 2 bits for baby. My sister is due in October, if you didn't know. Probably do. Babble on about it enough in these vlogs. But yeah, very excited. So, I'll show you what I'm going to get home about. I think it's going to be good for Christmas, is all I'm going to tell you until about 4 seconds when you see the haul, which for you will be in 4 seconds, which for me will probably be in about half hour by the time I get home, have some food, and yeah, let's go. Okay, it is haul time. I'm going to show you what I got for myself first, which is just this dress. This was from Marie Curie. Let's do it up so I can show you a bit better. And it's kind of like a dupe for the House of CB. It's got no tags. It feels very cheaply made, if I'm being completely honest with you guys. It was £6.95, size large. Let's just do up the front bit as well. I undid it when I put it on. So it is basically this white and blue floral House of CB style, kind of milkmaid vibe midi dress. It kind of floats out a bit more at the bottom, but overall it is quite figure hugging. Of course, it's got the signature very, very, very small boob pocket, which House of CB are known for. They have got now a bigger bust range because of this problem, but it's really sweet. I mean, it's not well made, as I said, but it looks gorgeous. I'm imagining this summer parties, you know, summer afternoon teas I'm invited to. This is what I imagine I'd wear to that if I was invited to such an occasion. And it's so pretty. Again, that picnic vibes. It feels like a bit too fancy for a picnic. I'm thinking summer date night. Oh, I need a boyfriend purely for the date night outfits, because when I go on date nights by myself, I'm not gonna lie, I normally just wear comfy clothes, but I want to dress up. I want to look this cute and just, you know, go for some drinks. I don't know. It's super cute. I love it. Really happy with it. £6.95, absolute bargain. Really like it. So I don't have a charitable gift card right now though, because they take them in Marie Curie and I don't have any gift cards, so that's sad. I need a birthday or something. Which actually my birthday's only 4 months away, so you know, we're nearly at birthday. The next two bits are for baby. So Emma, if you're watching, can you stop watching please? First off is just Highway Wrap. This is from British Heart Foundation. It was £2. It's written by Julia Donaldson, illustrated by Axel Scheffler. The classic combo that brought you the Gruffalo's Child, a squash and a squeeze. I think I have read the Highway Wrap before, but I don't remember too much about it. This was £2, kind of steep considering next door in St Luke's you can get 5 for £1 on books. But alas, I saw this and thought that would go nicely in the collection. I'm actually going to get out what stuff I've brought for baby and organise it all, because I need to like check what I've got, because the baby shower is only in about a month's time, so I want to organise everything so I can give her some of the presents. But yeah, Highway Wrap. Is it good? Don't know. I seem to remember it being good. I feel like Julia Donaldson never writes a bad book, so I'm excited to read that with baby. And finally, this is the cutest thing I've ever saw in my whole damn life. This is going to be a perfect Christmas dress. It's by a brand called Blueberry, spelled with an I. It's in age 3 to 6 months. It was £3.50 and it's new with tags. Look at the little baby dress. So it is like a red satin with like a gold little belt detail, and then this gorgeous kind of tulle in white with like gold flecks and shimmers all over it. This is so cute. Baby will probably be more around 2 months at Christmas. October, yeah, November, December, probably more like 2 months. So hopefully it's a chunky baby, because then said baby can fit in this. But if not, she can wear it oversized. That's fine. We love an oversized garment. It's just so bloody cute. It's got these little buttons down the back. Is it practical? Oh no, it's not practical at all. Is it the cutest thing ever? Yes, it is. I'm imagining baby and this, Fig the dog in her little Santa costume. Gonna cry. I actually bought a red satin dress. It's actually in this exact fabric recently, so I can wear it with the baby in front of the Christmas tree. I'm so excited. I could actually just sob when I think about it. But so cute. British Heart Foundation came through. Also, British Heart Foundation definitely have a deal with Dorothy Perkins on a different situation, because everything in there was Dorothy Perkins, new with tags, and like reduced down to like half the price, which was still expensive. But anyway, love this so much. It is so cute. But that is the end of today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment what you think I should wear for this baby shower. Do you think I have to wear pink? Can I wear anything? Yes, the answer is yes, but I don't know. And subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.